Hello my friends, in this video I will teach you how to easily send an email using your PC or laptop. I will try to show you all the tips about sending an email. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. Go to gmail.com and log into your Gmail account. Click on Compose button. In this section, enter an email address that you want to send an email to. You can enter multiple addresses. In this section, enter your email subject. In this section, enter the content of your email. You can also use emojis and symbols. By clicking on this button, you can customize text style. By clicking on this button, you can attach a file to your email message. By clicking on this button, you can insert a link on your email message. Select your text that you want to have the link inside. Now, click on Insert Link button. You can enter a web address or email address for this link. Enter link and click OK. If you have a Google Drive account, you can insert file from it. By clicking on this button, you can insert a photo from your Google Photos service. If you add a signature on your Gmail account, you can append it to your email message by this button. You can categorize your email sent by create labels. And from here, you can add a label to your email message. By clicking on this button, you can discard your email. You can send email in two ways. One way is quick send and second way is schedule send. To schedule send, click on this arrow and click schedule send. Now, click pick date and time and choose a time to send email with schedule. To quick send, click on this button and email sent. To check emails you sent, go to Send section. You can see all emails you sent here. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have fun, buddy!